The Fun Club donates to Children's Home annually. The amount given is increased by 8% of its value yearly. If the donation in 2010 was $7,000, find the donation given in 2012. Also, we asked to find the total amount of money donated from 2010 to 2013. There are two ways at which you can approach this. We can go by the formula method and we can go by breaking down the step one by one, calculating the 8% at every year. So the first question we are asked to do is to get the donation in 2012. Okay, let's go by the formula method. So this we have is A is equal to P into 1 plus R percent to the power of N. So in this case, A is the total amount, P is the principal, which is given as £7,000, $7,000, excuse me, and R is the rate, which is 8. So the number of years is 2 between 2010 and 2012. So in this case now we can put it to the formula and simplify. So we can evaluate 8%, which is 8 over 100, and it is simplified to 0.08. So and that is it to the power of 2. Now we can add up 1 plus 0.08, which is 1.08 to the power of 2. So this is what we have, 1.08 times 1.08, then we multiply it by 7,000. So we compute this on our calculator, then we have 8,164.8. So this is what we have, and we have to put our answer to the nearest two decimal places because we are dealing with money. So that is why it is $8,164.80. So this is the formula method, and this is what is donated in year 2012. Now, let us see the breakdown method. The breakdown method would start from year 2010 and will continue to compute 8% of 7,000, and it grows on like that till 2012. So in 2010, the donation is $7,000. Now let's see what is it in 2011 that has been increased by 8%. So we increased 7,000 by 8%. So this is what we have in 2011 because it has been increased by 8%, and that is 100 plus 8 divided by 100. This is how we increase a certain amount by 8%. If it were to be decreased by 8%, it would be 100 minus 8. But what we're doing now is we increase it by 8%. So that is 108 divided by 100, 1.08. We multiply that by 7,000. And multiplying that, we have $7,560. So this is what we have at the end of 2011. Now to the next year, 2012. So we have to increase 7,560 by 8%. Okay, so increasing 7,560 by 8%, we do the same process. 100 plus 8 over 100 times 7,560. And to simplify this, we're going to have 1.08 times 7,560. So multiplying this together, then we have 8,164.80, which is exactly what we had during the formula process. So this is the breakdown. So this is the breakdown, and this is the final result to that question. So this is how we have the results to the first question that asks us donation given in 2012. So the donation given in 2012 is 8,164.80. So can we now proceed to the next question, which asks us the total amount of money donated from 2010 to 2013. So it means that the money donated in 2010 plus the money donated in 2011 plus the money donated in 2012 plus the money donated in 2013. Now we have seen the money donated in 2010, which is given 7,000. We have seen the money donated in 2011, which we have calculated, increasing 7,000 by 8%. 7,560. We have also seen the one donated in 2012, 8,164.80. Now we should know how to calculate the money donated in 2013, which is that we're going to increase 8,164.80 by 8%. And doing that, the result we obtain will now add it to the one in 2012, to the one in 2011, and to the one in 2010. Can you give a try and tell us what the answer will be? Thank you.